G'day, g'day. TotalScumbagRC's back at Bells Rapids this time. We're on like the northern shore, so northern side. Normally when you drive in, you park on the south side and you have to cross that bridge in the background to get over this side. Pretty easy to get to. It's just normally just get busy on the side where our cars are. So we got 3 TRXs, a couple of mates, just checking out Bells. Beautiful spot here. As luck would have it, I was a little bit slow getting the camera out, and the orange TRX Sport there had already been completely submerged into a big puddle. Yeah, completely submerged. But I wasn't on camera, and it's still going, but you can still see a bit of moisture on its window if you look carefully, I reckon. Hopefully there's some more, there's definitely more water sports happening. This van's running the Hobby Wing Axe, and very slow, very nice control. The Sport's running the 1080 Hobby Wing, pretty sure, and then my Bronco there's got the Holmes Hobbies BRXL, the 21 turn Trailmaster motor. Yeah, from a distance, the slope looked like something. We'd definitely be able to maybe have a shot at getting up, but definitely slipping and sliding. And weren't getting too far up that angle on this rock. Okay. You reckon you're getting up there, okay?
Push it,
A little bit of assistance. Look at that, Bronco straight up. Yeah, sorry, maybe I reversed the footage there. This is the Bronco trying to get up. You gonna give me the assistance foot?
Yep, your foot is gone.
Bronco might need a foot and a hand to get up there without reversing the footage of it rolling down backwards. Straight into the puddles. What a great shot. The van bouncing around.
I love it.
You know, this puddle wasn't even in our path. We just saw it and decided to drive through it. As goes like with the TRX. Now everyone's going back again? Yep. Just to note, I didn't reverse the footage. He's actually reversing backwards there, okay? I only reversed that one bit going down the slope. I thought about chucking some music on this video. I even chose some music, but I think I'm just going to stick with my format, which is just, you know, the sounds of the truck, sounds of what's going on, our commentary, and then my commentary a bit over the top, and just see how it works. I'll definitely include some music on some videos, maybe some shorter videos. It's a bit easier to figure out. Yeah, you're pretty good though. Great terrain here at Bells, and just being next to the river and the rapids. So we've had a bit of rain recently, so you can see that the river's starting to swell up. The Avon descent will be happening in about a month's time, roughly, maybe even less. So they'll be heading down there on their kayaks and boats and shit. Might head down, have a look, have a crawl while they're going down. Yeah, it's pretty tough looking terrain, but the van makes it look easy. Maybe. Definitely eventually get down there, no problems. I don't know about going up that. Possibly. Yeah, right on the river here. So carefully scouted spot where we're right next to the rapids, but we can just delve into the side here. All great footage. The water running in the background. There's the Bronco. Sports like that's too shallow. I could go out to deeper rapids. You probably could, mate. Maybe we'll attach a fishing line onto you and send you out there next time.
I'm just worried about the amount of surface area I've got on the side of the van.
Yeah, I'll retrieve it, mate. I'll go in after it. I just
You
want
bet
to
the vat's gonna float if it got in that rapids. Makes you want to go for a swim, eh? Get that in there. So yeah, this wasn't a nice calm shallow bit, as you can see. Don't really want to make too many mistakes here because yeah, the water's right there. You're going in, the truck's gonna get pulled away. I thought I'd get by, see if I can try to get by anyway. Trying to get my footing and stuff here. Your Bronco. Oh. Whoop! I could have rolled on his roof and slid down into that pretty easy then, honestly. And then we got this little rock bridge spotted. It's got a decent drop off into murky water on each side. So we decided to cross it with our trucks, of course.
Very brave. That's the van through. I'm nervous. Deep enough maybe to cover our trucks in some parts, but it's not just uniform depth. But yeah, it gets deeper as it goes in. No. Well, and watch the little camber into that. Oh, yeah, you got it. I think.
And easy done, really. But yeah, nice fun little spots. Try to pick your trails when you go out. Some beautiful spots like Bell's that just offer like a million different ways to go. And try to choose little paths that challenge our trucks a little bit.
Submarine? Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, cute little puddle. Might as well drive through it.
Loves it.
The brushless van. And then the two brushed cars rattling it out.
Oh!
Van swimming deep there. Oh, a bit slow on the camera.
Camera on that one. That was a bit deep for Frankie, eh? You gonna go one more time, Frank?
No, got it now.
Oh, hey, buddy.
So for some
That looked a
reason,
bit deep, hey, Robbie, I'm not doing it. You shouldn't as well.
I shouldn't as well.
Yeah.
I mean, I shouldn't go this way across it.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
Okay, I won't.
You shouldn't.
For some reason, I decided not to go through here. I probably should have gone through here because unbeknownst to me, my motor is cooking. And about 30 meters down the track, my motor just pops. The brushes pop off. It's done. I had to carry the Bronco out. Maybe I would have cooled it down if I drove through that puddle, you know, the water-cooled TRX. Oh well. So yeah, as we're leaving, came across the actual race and a little actual SCX10, I'm pretty sure it is. Just a couple of randoms. And then I took my boat out for a little bit of a spin. It broke again, but luckily it broke like right next to the shore. Hit a little rock and the prop came off. I was like, oh shit, grabbed it out. So yeah, it didn't break while I was out there in the middle of the river. But as a little bonus, sort of chuck a little bit of a shot of the water and the boat, having a play. So thanks for watching, as always. TotalScumbagRC, providing quality crawling and RC content from Perth, Western Australia. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit subscribe, all that shit. Tell your mum and dad about the channel. Not about me. See ya.